Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening your PDF in any standard reader like Acrobat or Preview. Press Ctrl plus F on Windows or CMD plus F on Mac to open the Find box. Type the exact word or short phrase you want to locate. Press Enter to jump to the next match and Shift plus Enter to go back. Use match case or whole word options when available to reduce false matches. Use the up and down arrows beside the box to quickly review each occurrence in context. For large documents, use advanced search to scan every page at once. Enter phrases with quotes in use and/or not for Boolean queries. If the PDF is a scanned image, run OCR first to convert images into searchable text. Most apps label this recognized text, or OCR, in the Tools menu. Create a search index for very large libraries to speed future queries. Save or export search results when your workflow requires review or sharing with others. On desktops, convert PDFs to text using PDF Dotext and then use grep to search. This two-step method is ideal for batch processing many files via scripts. Use quotes around phrases and escape special characters in regex when needed. On mobile, open the PDF in your Reader app and use the built-in Find box to locate words. If the mobile PDF is scanned, upload it to a cloud OCR service to make text searchable. Always check file encoding and language settings for accurate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.